Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel and this video. In this video I'm going to talk about the things you should consider when you are making videos in which you are mentioning scammers and other things. Maybe you have got scammed, but you should keep these things in your mind. If you do not keep these things in your mind and do not consider these things, then your video may get taken down by the YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, when you have got scammed, you should never ever post something in which you are abusing the scammer or saying something that may not be appropriate. Otherwise, your video may be taken down under the cyberbullying and harassment act of the YouTube. So, second thing that you should keep in your mind while making such videos is that your when you're submitting these videos that you actually have got kind of scammed, and if you are kind of fooling others by making those videos, then also your video may be get taken down because you are in kind of promoting the misinformation. So these are the two tips that you should keep in your mind when you're uploading such scammer videos, or the videos in which you have got scammed and you are just kind of spreading the awareness so that other people who may be dealing with that person or that organization or that consultancy or maybe whatever that is, then they will know that they should not deal with those people, because the result would not be what they expected. So keep this in mind, and it would be great if you mention in your videos like you are creating this just for the awareness that others may not fall in trap with those scammers. So that's it for this video, and I hope you have found this video very insightful, and thank you again for watching my another video.